This is the Birkenstock Arizona EVA sandals, okay? These do come in multiple different colors, loads of colors actually. One of the nice things about this sandal is it is a waterproof sandal, okay? So if you're gonna be hitting up the lake, the river, the pool, these are gonna be fantastic. One thing to keep in mind though is if you're gonna go to the ocean, sand is not a friend of EVA material, which is what these are made out of. This is one solid piece. Sand unfortunately eats away at a lot of shoe materials, okay? If you're gonna be on the sand, look for a PVC material, okay? So, land, perfect. Cement, cement can kind of eat away at these. I've had my original pair, this is my second pair, for 6 years now, and they're still holding up. So keep that in mind. I garden a lot in them. Something else is one solid piece. So like if you see seams here, this seam is not gonna pull away from this piece here, okay? Really nice bottom. You're not gonna be slipping around in this shoe, okay? Adjustable buckles. These things are made in Germany. Let's take an overall look at the flexibility. How flexible are these? These are a brand new pair. Pretty flexible. Nice contoured footbed. There's even a place in there for your toes. And then let's do some views, okay? So we've got the branded view. I should have turned on my light. What am I thinking? Here we go. We've got the side branded view where you can see the Birkenstock, like that. Now let's turn it around to the plain side. The inside of the shoe, that also has Birkenstock stamped right on the inside. Let's take a look at the top side. Rounded toe. This is what these look like. Just like that. Really nice product put out by Birkenstock. They've been trendy for the last several years. Like I said, I've had my pair for 6 years. They keep going, and not only do they come in women's sizes, but they also come in men's sizes as well. This is a size 42. So size 42 would fit a women's size 11. So Birkenstock also has a handy European conversion footbed or conversion size chart as well. So if you're not sure what size you are in a European size, check that out. Just do a quick search. Love them. Great colors, classic colors, and they never really go out of style. So check these out. Birkenstock Arizona EVA sandal.